Hi guys, the long awaiting tutorial will be dropping in the month of September. I want you to please look forward to it. Keep an eye out for it so you won't miss the launch. Either you want to learn how to make laundry bar soap both for commercial use and for personal use. Either you want to learn how to make detergent powder, liquid soap, bathing soap. I got you covered. Either you want to learn how to run ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads. Either you want to learn graphic design, video editing, I got you covered. I and my team have been working on this for almost a year, working on this amazing tutorial, and I promise you, you don't want to miss it. Please keep an eye out so you won't miss the launching. Please follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, on YouTube, follow me on TikTok. Please follow your girl, and please look forward to my launching. We'll be launching in the month of September. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.